welcome back to my channel. Today I am here to show you guys how to make this awesome, delicious braided salmon recipe. If you guys think you're going to enjoy this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up for me. Also, leave me a comment down below if you're going to try this recipe. And if you're new, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comments that you are new to my channel so I can welcome you. Without further ado, guys, let's jump right into the recipe. Here's what you need to make this recipe, guys. I will leave the measurement below as well. So here I have 1 tablespoon of rosemary, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of thyme, 1 tablespoon of parsley, half tablespoon onion powder, a tablespoon of garlic powder, and also I have a little bit of ground black pepper, about a 1/4 teaspoon. And here you're looking at a tablespoon of creole seasoning, half tablespoon of paprika, a teaspoon of Old Bay, teaspoon of lemon pepper, and also we have some salt in the middle, salt to taste. Here I have 1 stick of butter, unsalted, and also I have about 3 lemon, and also as well as some lime. You can use lemon if you want, or you can use lime if you want, or you can use a combination of both. So here I am going to show you guys how I chopped up my herbs. I make sure I chop them up very fine. Now, the first thing I'm going to be doing is melting my butter. We're going to pop it in the microwave. Once it's nice and melted, we're going to add our herbs in there. Now, I'm going to be adding the rosemary as well as the thyme and also the parsley. Now I'm going to be adding in the seasoning. Well, before I add the seasoning, I'm adding the garlic. And also we're going to be adding in our seasoning, all of the seasoning that I showed you guys earlier. So we're just going to pour that in. Now I'm going to be adding in the onion, garlic, and the ground black pepper in. We're going to take our spoon and give that a nice stir. If your mixture is a little too thick for your liking, you can also add about a 1/4 cup of olive oil in there, or 4 tablespoons of melted butter. Now what I'm going to be doing is taking my lime and lemon, place them at the bottom of my baking dish. Now that we have our baking dish ready, we're going to move on to our salmon. I am going to cut the extra flap on the left side just to make everything nice and equal. Next, I am going to take a napkin to pat dry any moisture from the fish. Now I'm going to be taking my knife and cut right on the left side of the fish. And now I'm cutting on the right side of the fish, just so I can have that 3 strands to braid the fish. Now, if you know how to braid, this should be pretty easy for you to do. If you don't, just follow me, watch how I'm doing it, so you can do it too. Okay? Now that we have our 3 strands, we're going to braid it. Just watch how I do it. If you don't know how to braid, you should just watch and you'll see. I'm pretty sure you guys will get this, but just in case you don't know, you take the right, place it on the left, take the middle, place it on the right. I believe that's how it is. And then boom, you have your braided salmon. So I'm going to pick it up and place it on top of the lemons. And yeah, just like so, you place it there nice and tight. Now I'm going to be taking my marinade and pour it all over the fish, just like so. Now I am going to be taking my spoon, trying my best to add the seasoning underneath the fish. That way every bite of this fish can be nice and tasty. Now to garnish, I am going to be taking some more lemon slice and just tuck it on to the fish just to give it a little pop, okay? This is very optional. Make it look very nice and well thought out. So yeah, and if you are watching, you haven't subscribed by now, what are you doing? Come on, if you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and also leave me a comment below. Let me know you are new so I can give you a nice welcome, okay? So this is what we're working with so far. So now I am going to pop it in the oven on 350 for about 20 to 25 minutes. Once it is done, yo, this is what it looks like, y'all. I am going to use that butter and baste the fish, and basically that is how you make a super delicious braided garlic butter salmon. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Let me know what other recipe you guys would like to see. Also, if you enjoy the recipe, guys, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. I will see you all on the next recipe. Bye.